The items for you who enjoy sports as daily activities. A hairband, sneakers, a helmet, an X-band, a water bottle, sunglasses, and an air conditioner. Instead of air conditioner, introducing a cooling spray as cool as air conditioner. Just spray on innerwear before or after your workout. Our 3-step system will instantly cool you off, your body temperature dropping by 15 degrees Fahrenheit.